Here's the power supply at 4 volts, and I'm going to connect this thin wire to it, and you can see how the wire melts and burns under. Okay, you can see it still sparks. Let's try it out. Please join me for the first time to hear how it sounds. And 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll be using my power supply here connected to these wires. This power supply can generate 20 volts, 150.
The speaker is a magnet and a coil that when you excite the coil with an AC voltage, it vibrates at the same frequency. See some AC voltage, but because the charger output and live wire are isolated, if I short them, there is no current running between them and the... What's going on there? Something... People suffering in cold money. See, it doesn't arc anymore because I think the capacitor is loading the output voltage and reducing it. So I have to bring the contacts further close. The whole seat is melted.
Now we'll have high voltage as...
Let's see if I can weld these two pieces. Let's play Pink Panther.
Okay, let's see how far the fire goes.
Because the voltage is not high enough. Or negative. Something starts to smell around here.
Supply on, so you can see what's going on. There you go. You saw what happened. Spray and spray those ants to death. All you need to do is to spray over their walkway like this. I make this simple circuit and I'll plug it in. Now the circuit is hot and the voltage is on the side. I put the meter on AC and I measure the voltage.
Watch the current carefully as I connect the capacitor
into the power line. Okay, let's try it out.
A capacitor stores energy in form of electric fields between electric charges and can later release them when a load is connected between...
So I guess let me plug it in so I can show you a few. Awesome! This system super dangerous. Don't try it at home. Let me demonstrate. If I plug it into the...
Okay, it's definitely shorted. Let's plug it in. Hopefully nothing will happen and I'll know. It will show us if the phases are 120 degrees out or 180 degrees out. Let's check.
Nice. Am I on fire?
Capacitance of the MOSFET by touching the positive and negative lines through my body. And now the relay can turn on a light too.
Look at that, people. Molten... Oh, sh**.
If there is metal in something, don't put it in the microwave. 120 volt AC input, and I have my capacitor and diode here, and I'm probing across the diode. Now if I connect the circuits together, but much more current, and at the input,
like everything is in order. The circuit is not warm. Everything is good.
And here I have the CD power line. Both of them are exactly at 120 volt AC. Like behind a red light or in a charging lane. Something like this inductor and capacitor. This is a filter. If I try to measure the AC output using my city voltage is a sine wave. Now if we scope it... which one was the live wire? Black is ground. Some plugs like this one that we can measure. Here we have...
What's up with my circuits and all the small wires?